Hi there. So let's add some fonts, some Google fonts to our website. So I'm just going to sort of scroll and randomly, it's like Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so red flare, sure, I'll do that for my header. And then I want something simple for my body. Dosis sounds good, so I'm going to click on the plus for that. I also want to have some sort of cool block quote font. So I don't know, maybe icon salamalaba. I'm just looking for stuff that looks a little different. Well, I'll use this for my block quote, sure. Okay, so I've clicked these three fonts, and now if I click here, I get one link that has all three of them in here. It says family Dosis, Indie Flower, and Mansalva. So if I copy this, this is going to go in the head section of my HTML. So back in my index, I will go up here. I was playing with this earlier, so we'll pretend that's not there. Okay, so I will add that link here. So there's my three fonts, Dosis, Indie Flower, and Mansalva. That's the first step. The second step is to add these three into my CSS, and these are going to go into different areas. So I will go to my style, and I'll just sort of, I can just sort of pluck them here in a comment just to get them here. So Mansalva is going to be my header font. So for H1, comma, H2, comma, H3, comma, H4, I probably won't have headers smaller than H4. I'm going to use Mansalva. And then Dosis, I'm going to use as my body font. So I'll get rid of this and replace it with that. And then for my block quote, I'm going to have this font family Indie Flower. And in my index.html, I added a little block quote to test it out. And then here's my H1, H2. I could add a 3 and a 4 just to see. And I'm using a CSS reset, so these may all need to be sized differently. But so there's 3, 4, 4, 3. Okay, so let's try this out and see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, so I would want to do font size for these, but there's my header font, there's my regular body font, and then there's my quote, block quote font. All right, thanks.